MCQs of gel electrophoresis, oligonucleotide and macroarray. MCQ number 1. Gel electrophoresis separates nucleic acid molecules based on charge on molecules, size of molecules, nature of molecules, whether DNA or RNA, chemical properties of nucleic acid. The correct option is option B, size of molecules. MCQ number 2. The charge present on DNA backbone is negative. The force required to accelerate the molecule toward anode is directly proportional to the number of MCQs. Answer A is sugar molecules, B is nitrogenous bases, C is phosphate groups, D is both phosphate group and sugar molecules. The correct option is option C, phosphate group. MCQ number 3. Which of the following will be travel fastest through gel if amount of DNA present in same in all? Circular, supercoil, rigged. Supercoil will be and circular will be move at same speed and faster than naked. The correct option is option B, supercoil. MCQ number 4. How is the size of molecules under analysis measured? Option 1 is by measuring the distance moved through a ruler. B, by measuring the amount of realizing dye used. C, by running a standard molecule whose size is known and parallel. The correct option is option C. MCQ number 5. Gel matrix are generally of two types. One is agarose and second is polyacrylamide. Which of the following statement is correct with respect to agarose gel? 1. Agarose is a polysaccharide which is obtained from red algae. B. Agarose is polysaccharide obtained from fungus. C. It is composed of glucose residue. D. It is obtained by dissolving in its water by boiling in water and then cooling. The correct option is option A. Agarose is polyacrylamide which is obtained from red algae. MCQ number 6. If amount of agarose added is more, the molecular under analysis should have following characteristics: small size, large size, size has no relation with the amount of agarose. D. The amount of molecules under analysis matter. Correct option is option A, small size. Seven. In the case of electrophoresis of single-stranded DNA or RNA, which type of gel are used? Option A is renaturing, B. denaturing, C. routine agarose gel, D. the routine polyacrylamide. The correct option is option B, denaturing. MCQs 8. A piece of DNA that is to be separated is crushed and soaked into buffer. The majority of DNA diffuses. How can it be separated? A. Filtration and centrifugation. B. Filtration or centrifugation allowing to sediment. D. By passing through a silica column. The correct option is option B. Filtration और centrifugation, दोनों में से सिर्फ एक. MCQ number 9. Another method of DNA recovery is termed as freeze squeeze. The correct statement for it is option 1. The silica containing DNA is cut and frozen into liquid oxygen. B. Freezing does not have any effect on DNA structure. C. After freezing, centrifugation is carried out through glass wool plug. D. Substance used for centrifugation allows the gel to pass through but liquid is retained. The correct option is option C. After freezing, centrifugation is carried out through glass wool plug. MCQ number 10. If further electrophoresis is used for recovery of DNA from gel, the method is termed as second electrophoresis, recovery electrophoresis, denaturing electrophoresis, electroillusion. Correct option is option D, MCQs 11. The DNA is sliced and it placed into dialysis tube containing buffer. Further, electrophoresis is performed after it DNA move out the gel but it retained by buffer. Is it correct or not? The correct option is option 2. This statement is correct. MCQs number 12. Ultraviolet shadowing is used at time for visualizing the DNA. Which of the statement is correct for it? In this method, DNA bands are visualized because they fluoresce under ultraviolet. B. The DNA band will not fluoresce but will be observed the ultraviolet light. C. It is not suitable for visualizing single-stranded molecules. D. It is less preferred over the use of ethidium bromide. Correct option is option B. The DNA band will not fluoresce but will be observed the ultraviolet light. MCQs 13. The greatest separation is obtained in which portion of gel? Lower portion, where anode is, lower portion, where cathode is. The separation is uniform all over. It is varies according to quantity of size of molecules to be separated. The correct option is option A. Lower portion where the anode is present. MCQs 14. If the molecules to be separated are larger than the size of conventional electrophoresis, which type of gel can be used? Option 1 is wet gel, B is buffer gradient gel, C is pulse field gel, D is varying the amount of agarose will carry out the separation. The correct option is option C, pulse field gel. 15. Which of the following statement is correct for method of separation of large molecule? The correct option is option C. The time of pulse should be less than that of the reorientation time. 16. Often the DNA or RNA needs to be removed from gel to solid support. The process can be termed as blotting, transfer, chromatography, DNA purification. The correct option is option A, blotting. MCQs number 17. Which of the following step is not included in the transferring of DNA? Option A is the gel containing DNA is immersed in the buffer in reservoir. B. The buffer flows up through the gel via wick. C. Membrane is placed over the gel. D. The nucleic acid are dissolved in buffer and are obtained from it by pipetting. The correct option is option D. MCQs number 18. If the DNA sample are to be analyzed, the membrane should be studied. Which of them is correct for it? 1. The membrane should be treated with ultraviolet or heat. Option B. The membrane is further immersed in the buffer containing labeled nucleic acid which are known as STIPs. 3. Labeled nucleic acid bind to sequence which are same as sequence present on membrane. Option D. Binded sequence can be visualized by autoradiography. The correct option is option D. The binding sequence can be visualized by autoradiography. MCQs number 19. In the case DNA is transferred from gel to membrane, it is known as southern blotting, western blotting, northern blotting, southern or western blotting. The correct option is option A, southern blotting. MCQs number 20. Oligonucleotide cannot be referred to undefined sequence that can be used as PCR primers, sequences that can be used in DNA sequencing, sequences that can use be in identifying complementary DNA molecule. The correct option is option A, undefined sequence. MCQs number 21. Oligonucleotides are synthesized chemically. Which of the following step is involved in oligonucleotide synthesis? Option 1 is nucleotide addition is done by adding many nucleotide at a time. Option B is coupling reaction should be involve water. Option C is only one type of nucleotide can be added at a time. Option D is unblocking of reactive groups leads to addition of nucleotide. The correct option is option D. The unblocking of relative group lead to addition of nucleotide. MCQs number 22. If the known DNA sequences are immobilized onto a solid support, it is called blot, microarray, DNA plate, column. The correct option is option B. It is called macroarray. MCQs number 23. In the case of macroarrays, often the whole organism is not sequenced. B. Changes in transcript level can be studied in response to environmental changes. C. RNA is synthesized only after property which is to be studied in incubator. D. DNA is synthesized from this RNA by transcriptase. The correct option is option B. Changing in transcript level can be studied in response to the environmental changes. MCQs 24. The DNA is labeled with fluorescent dyes in order to study the level of transcription. It is true or false? This statement is true. MCQs 25. If undefined sequences are immobilized, the setup is called blot, macroarray, plate, DNA chip. This is called DNA chip.